It's recording?
Yeah.
Am I facing, is it facing the right way?
It's, you are recording yourself right now.
You can come there now, and we can see you. You can come, put your head under the sail boat. Just come over. Come on.
I don't know, but I have.
You can come on, so you can come off.
I'm fine.
Oh, you're fine? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.